Jamaicans do live in here. These properties are 2 and 3 bedroom homes. Okay, for those of you who would like to see what inside of this scheme looks like. Hi guys, Miss V Lifestyle JA today. I'm at Camelot Village in Discovery Bay on the north coast of Jamaica. I've just come from Discovery Point up there on the hills, and I thought, let me come down here and just go into Camelot Village and see if they let me in so I can film in there to show you what it's like. There are modest 2 and 3 bedroom homes in there, so I'll take you in and show you what's going on. Okay, come along with me, let's go. Miss V Lifestyle JA in Discovery Bay here. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone here. So I've come across the Camelot Village and went into the Homeowners office, and they've kindly allowed me to film. So I'm just going to walk around Camelot Village and show you what these homes look like. So what are we saying? They're 2 or 3 bedrooms?
Yeah, around 2 or 3 bedrooms.
2 or 3 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
What sort of prices are they going for, or were going for?
Well, we're going for, I think it was 17 to 30 million, between 20 to 17 to 30 million it was going
17
for.
to 30.
Originally.
Okay,
yeah,
17 to 30 million.
But homeowners who have the actual properties now sell it for varying prices.
Right, okay, yes, so they're selling on. Okay, they're very cute and nice, and I mean, some of the overseas clients, they will love this, you know, because it's a nice community. So what phase is this one that I'm at the minute?
Phase 5.
Phase 5?
Yes.
Oh wow. Which consists of how many?
Well, I'm not sure in the particular phase how many it has, but overall, phases 2 to 5 has 631 units.
631 units. That's a lot. That is a lot of units. So security just let Roy through. So I'm just going to walk and film. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. So let me show you some of the properties in here. The Homeowners Association rep just told me that there are like over 600 units in here. From what I can see in here, you've got a mixture of different people living here. Sometimes I do have comments in regards to you know, normal Jamaicans purchasing property, or they're not being catered for. Jamaicans do live in here. These properties are 2 and 3 bedroom homes. Okay, for those of you who would like to see what inside of this scheme looks like. So I was told that the starting prices are from 13 to 30 million Jamaican dollars. I'm on Camelot Boulevard. Yeah. Continue walking in. The thing is, looking at these, let me see what's going on here. So you've got some that's this light greeny colour, one there that's a kind of, let me see what colour is that, kind of purpley colour, but I think that person's probably done their own thing, to be fair, because looking at them, most of them appears to be this sort of greeny colour. Oh, look at this. Nice, this looks modern. AstroTurf there. So I have got permission to be in here. For those of you who are concerned that I'm just walking up on people's property space, and I've been granted permission to come in. In fact, if you look, this one here, it says for sale. Okay, I'm not not going to go onto the property. So that house there is for sale. Okay, let's keep going. Nice. Okay, Miss V Lifestyle JA here in Camelot Village, Discovery Bay. So when you look, they have got ample space between them. They're not sort of cramped together. You know, that if you're talking they can hear you next door. So looking at that one, there's enough space between them. This is a corner lot as well. Oh, that is a nice space there. You can do a lot on that part there. See, so in Jamaica you have all different types of homes for different budgets. Okay, it's not just mansions and big 10-bedroom houses. You know, there's modest Pelican Drive down there. There's modest living as well here in Discovery Bay. So let's continue. I'm on Camelot Boulevard. So from here, some of the people in here can have like nice views. If you look over there, you can see the Caribbean Sea there, which is really nice. Interesting. Looking at that house. Oh, how come that's like that? It looked like the retaining wall has been broken down, but the wall must have been broken down because of all of that rubble must have collapsed. I don't think that's Melissa. I think that's just anyway, I reserve the right to comment on that. Right, okay. If you know, you know. Look. Right, let's go. So 3 and 2 bedrooms. Hello. 3 and 2 bedroom homes in here, Camelot Village, Discovery Bay. Look, let me stay on the road. Yeah. Look, speed bump. Hello, hi. You look nice and comfy. You are Jamaican, aren't you? Yes, because I'm on YouTube, not live, but normally people say that Jamaicans don't get a chance to buy homes like this, and obviously you do, right? I know there's lots of Jamaicans in there, isn't there? Lovely. And the thing is, even if you cough, your next door neighbour can't hear you. Big up, yeah, big up. Thank you, darling, thank you. See? So it's a mixture of people that lives here. And look, see, they've got nice drainage, and this is a recreational area. Well, I was given permission that I can come in, so let me show you. Yeah, look, nice and green. Seat in here, so you can bring the children down on a Saturday, play football. Yeah, really nice, really nice, really nice, lovely. And literally, if you look, let me go back at this gate, squeeze past. I'm so glad I wore my trainers today. Was just speaking to a guy chilling on his porch. nice and comfy. Stay with me, guys. Miss V Lifestyle JA in Camelot Village, Discovery Bay on the north coast of Jamaica. Okay, let's go. So in here we have 2 and 3 bedroom homes. I just showed you one for sale further down back there. Wow, really nice. Some have better views than others. So down here, Birch Place. So yes, guys, that was just a quick overview of what in here looks like. Camelot Village, phase 5. Nice, nice. Well established area, well established. Yeah. Okay, hope you can see that, guys. Okay, let's keep going. So if you notice, the lot numbers are on the lamppost over there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. Hello. Hello, big up, big up. Hi. It's quite cozy in here. Respectable, clean. The road's nice. See? Look at the roads. And I can't see any major damage over here in regards to the recent hurricane that passed through. So everything seems in order. I think it's the way these houses are built, actually. I don't know what material that is, but they haven't got no sort of roof tiles on. So I guess that's a saving grace, that when the hurricane comes through, it's not going to, you know, pull off the roof. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. Yes? Very nice. And oh, I kid you not, here in his back garden, someone is being super creative. Let me come over here. Look, he's building another modern unit at the back there. So that's part of his land on his lot. So he's decided to chuck up another structure there, and it looks really nice. Is it adjoining to that? I can't see, but as you can see, guys, that looks really good. Yeah. Okay. We're still going, just to give you a look of what this area looks like. I'm not going to walk the old place because it's quite a large area. I'm really impressed with that structure over there. Very creative indeed. Nice. So it's like I'm going down now, so we're losing the views, but over around the back, I'm pointing over here. The sea is to my left as I'm walking, going down this way. The sea's over there. Over that way. See? Sea. Over there. So I'm going to split my videos. I'm going to show you, the first one I'm going to show you, there's the sea again. The first one I'm going to show you is Discovery Point, where I showed you those lovely houses over there. And now I'm in Camelot Village, so that will be the next video that goes out. I'm not sure when I'm going to put that up, but today is Monday the 29th of December 2025. Let's go. Miss V Lifestyle JA in Discovery Bay. Yeah. Really nice. Really lovely. Oh, someone there. Hello. Hi. Do you live there? Oh, you said it like that. You're okay, that's fine, that's okay. Thank you. It's nice in there, isn't it? It's lovely. Thank you, darling. Thanks. Look. Okay, then you come here. Saville Drive is over there. And let me stop here for a second and show you. Look, guys. Look at those views. I'm in Camelot Village, Discovery Bay on the north coast of Jamaica. 2 and 3 bedroom homes in there, guys. 2 and 3 bedroom homes. Let's go down here. See what we can see. So you get the general picture of the area, how the properties look. They all look the same, that same sort of uniform look, but obviously once you purchase your property, you do what you want in terms of fixing it up to your likeness. So, and that's what people are doing to, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, how creative is this? So they've got the house and then they've attached that bit onto the back. I like that. Look. Can you see that, guys? That's very creative. Make the property more bigger. Very nice. So that's how it looks on the front, and then at the back, yeah, you've got that. Oh, interesting. So that's what they're doing. I wonder if you needed a different planning permission for that. Oh, and this one as well. Look. Hello. Hello. So people are heading on, and it looks nice. I was just admiring your house, and I was just saying that's very creative, because when it's your land, you can do what you want. I have one little quick question though. Would you need extra planning permission for that, or was that part of the plan?
What's that?
For that structure at the back?
Oh yeah, you need it. You need planning permission.
Yes, that's what I thought. It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
That's thinking outside the box, isn't it?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Big up. Thank you. Thank you. So I was right. He did need planning permission for that bit. So really is nice. Very homely. So I don't know. So this one here as well. So far I've seen 3. Look. This one here, they're doing the same thing. So they've got the property at the front, and at the back's where all the action is. How about that? It looks absolutely beautiful. So from what I can see, let me see. From what I can see, they're not blocking out anyone's views. They've got enough space in between. I hope this is coming out clearly for you guys so that you can see what's going on here in Camelot Village, Discovery Bay on the north coast of Jamaica. Nice. Yes, look. See, that's it from this side here. Added on. So you buy, take your time, and then bit by bit you can still be living in the main front part, whether it's 2 or 3 bedrooms, and then add on at the back at a later stage. Take your time, catch up your hand with your money, and then start constructing at the back. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. That's thinking outside of the box. Then you have your own little mini mansion there in Camelot Village. Beautiful. I love it. Yes. So it's about, oh God, what's the time? It's about 2 o'clock now. The sun's really beating down on me out here, guys. So I'm going to end my video here. Miss V Lifestyle JA here in Jamaica, in Discovery Bay at the Camelot Village, just showing you what the area looks like. Okay, trying to kill two birds with one stone. I was across at Discovery Point and I took advantage of being in the area and asked for permission to come in here. Permission was granted and I'm in here now just filming for you, just to show you what the area looks like. Okay guys, so big up, take care, until next time. Miss V Lifestyle JA in Discovery Bay.